Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making assorted sandwiches. We are making 5 varieties of sandwiches which are really very quick to make. Sandwiches are among most popular light meals throughout the world, and these sandwiches are made in hundreds of varieties. We are explaining here recipes for easy and quick to make 5 varieties of vegetable sandwiches with available ingredients in your kitchen or pantry. You can make them real fast to satisfy your small hunger, or you may serve them to your guests as light, refreshing and filling snack too. First of all, let's make carrot and cucumber mini club sandwiches. Cut off and remove side crusts of 3 breakfast bread slices. You may use white or brown bread as per your liking. Do not discard crusts. You may use them in making bread crumbs or may consume them in making of cutlets, etc. Take peeled and grated 1 small size carrot in a bowl. Also grate 1 medium size cucumber and squeeze off water by pressing with your hands and add it also into same bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons mayonnaise into it. You may use eggless or with egg mayo according to your choice. Stir to mix vegetables evenly into mayonnaise. Season mixture with a pinch or to taste black pepper, and a pinch or to taste salt. Stir well to season mixture evenly. Spread a thick layer from half of carrot, cucumber and mayonnaise mixture on 1 crust removed bread slice. Place another crust removed slice over spread to cover it completely. Spread another layer of remaining mixture on top of covering bread slice, and place third crust removed slice on top to cover spread layer. Use a sharp knife to cut sandwich into 2 equal triangles. Serve mini vegetable club sandwich immediately, or wrap in food grade plastic wrap and refrigerate until required to serve, or pack in tiffin to be carried along for a light meal at work or school for kids. Now we shall prepare sweet and sour tomato sandwiches. Cut off crusts from 4 bread slices. We shall use 2 slices in tomato sandwiches and 2 in cucumber sandwiches. Take 1 heaping teaspoon of fresh malai, that is milk cream, in a bowl. Stir vigorously with spoon until smooth and creamy. Add 2 teaspoons or more to taste tomato ketchup into churned creamy malai. Stir well to mix. Spread half of malai ketchup mixture on 1 crust removed slice, and place thin slices of fresh tomato on spread. Sprinkle with pinches of salt and black pepper or to taste over tomato slices for seasoning. Spread layer of remaining malai ketchup mixture on another crust removed bread. Slice and place over tomato slices, keeping spread layer side down. Cut with a sharp knife into triangles. Serve delicious sweet and tangy tomato sandwiches immediately, or wrap with plastic wrap and refrigerate or carry in tiffin. Now we shall prepare spicy and tangy cucumber sandwiches. Take 1 heaping teaspoon hung curd in a bowl. Stir and churn with spoon or fork until smooth. Add 1½ to 2 teaspoons or to taste spicy cilantro or green coriander chutney into it. Stir to mix until even and smooth. Divide equally and spread layers of hung curd and green chutney mixture on remaining 2 crust removed bread slices. Place thin cucumber slices covering chutney spread completely. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste to season cucumber slices, and cover with other bread slices, keeping spread side down. Use sharp knife to cut sandwich into triangles. Serve immediately, or again wrap these sandwiches also in plastic wraps and refrigerate or carry in tiffin. Now let's prepare vegetable club sandwich by combining tomato sandwich and cucumber sandwich. Take 1 tablespoon grated or crumbled paneer, that is drained and pressed cottage cheese, in a bowl. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon mayonnaise or malai, that is milk cream or hung curd, into crumbled cottage cheese. You may use any of these as it is just required to bind the sandwiches. Season cottage cheese mixture with pinches or to taste of salt and pepper. Stir to mix well. Then spread a thick layer of this white spread on top of a cucumber sandwich triangle. Place 1 tomato sandwich triangle on top, and your delicious vegetable club sandwich is ready. Serve this delicious filling club sandwich immediately, or wrap in the same manner in plastic wrap. Now we shall make a real quick, yet delicious instant sandwich. Spread cheese spread or butter or churned fresh malai on 2 bread slices. There is no need to remove crust from slices. Sprinkle with handsome quantity of any mixture snack like Navratan mix or Kashmiri or Kaju mixture or Bikaneri, Bhujia or Agra dal month or any other mixture of your choice. Cover mixture layer with other slice keeping spread side down and serve accompanied with hot tea or coffee. We have explained making of 5 varieties of quick and easy sandwiches. Make and serve as and when required and enjoy. We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please click the like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback means a lot to us. Thanks.